Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to upload HD profile picture on Telegram. Yes, you can do that, and here's how to do that. Open your Telegram app, click on the three lines at the top left corner, click on your profile, click on the camera icon. Now if you want to upload HD profile picture, you have to click on the SD at the bottom. It will change to HD. Then click on upload. As you can see right here, it has uploaded a high quality profile picture. So that's how you upload a HD profile picture on Telegram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.